the main backbone of a company.
Actually mapping the right set of resources to the right set of tasks.
Talent management,
payroll compensations, your leave trackers,
recruiting, screening, and diverting the entire human resources of the organization.
From finding the talent, screening the talent, convincing them to join the company, and then retaining that talent.
They can make use of technology in the appraisal system.
leverage video analytics for detecting and solving problems real time.
Using the information system available, the global database, wherein he can track the skill sets of the employees.
Analytics to understand the performance of different employees, at what time they are working better or which employee is working better.
Diversity complemented with inclusion will only help the organization.
Analytics to better understand employee behavior to further employer and employee relations.